For today's food vlog, I'm going to show you my classic baked mac using oven toaster. So, just keep on watching and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. For the white sauce, add 1/4 of butter, now let's just mix the butter and the flour until well combined. Now, as you can see, medyo lumpy pa yung texture niya. So, ituloy lang natin ang paghahalo dito hanggang maging okay na. After 12 minutes of boiling, the macaroni is now done. Now, let's proceed for the red sauce. The ingredients you'll need is spaghetti sauce, meat, hot dog, garlic, onions, and nor cubes. Now on the other side of the pan, let's begin to saute onions and garlic. Now it's time for us to put the meats. When it's already looked brown, we can now add seasonings. But now I am putting magic syrup, 1 pack of magic syrup, It's time for us to put the hot dogs. Now, mix it occasionally. If it's okay, we can now add 1 cup of cheese, just mix the sauce until the cheese gets melted. Now, I am putting a 1/2 cup of sugar for the sweetness, pero kayo na pong bahalang mag-adjust kung gaano nyo gustong katamis yung sauce nyo. Now we're done. Enjoy eating!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2, 8.